Welcome to Santa Apolónia Station, a charming gateway to Lisbon. Open 24 hours a day for your convenience. Step through the grand entrance and embark on your journey through Portugal's vibrant landscapes. Modern turnstiles at the entry and exit validate your tickets effortlessly, accommodating both paper tickets and QR codes. Discover your way around with ease by consulting the station map, and enjoy smooth transitions between levels with accessible escalators and lifts. Stay informed with up-to-the-minute train updates displayed on digital screens throughout the station. For assistance, visit the welcoming ticket office, or opt for self-service ticket machines conveniently stationed nearby. These machines also let you load metro tickets, making your travel even more seamless. Follow clear and intuitive signage to reach platforms, metro lines, and bus stops with confidence. From Santa Apolónia, board premium Alfa Pendular and Intercity trains for swift, comfortable travel across Portugal. Check real-time updates on train arrivals and departures on the station screens. For your convenience, ATMs and phone booths are thoughtfully placed throughout the station. Secure your belongings in the station's lockers, available for $4.50 to $6 per day, depending on the size. Need to send or receive a parcel? The DPD PUDO services provide easy and efficient options. The bus stops near the station offer connections to Lisbon and destinations beyond. Santa Apolónia Station is your gateway to exploring Lisbon and beyond in comfort and style. With rail.ninja, booking your tickets is easy and personalized. Choose your preferred routes, seating, and amenities to tailor your journey to your needs. Whether you're heading to nearby cities or discovering the heart of Lisbon, rail.ninja makes your travel planning seamless. Book your tickets now on rail.ninja and download our app for a smooth, hassle-free experience.